In this tutorial we will see that how you can download SKLauncher in 2024. So you have to follow this step carefully. So for the step 1, open up your favorite browser and search for SKLauncher. Search it. It will show you these type of websites here, but you have to open its original website of SKLauncher. Open it. After opening this, it will show you dashboard like this. Now you'll find here these downloads. Click here downloads and scroll a bit. Here you'll find operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. You can select your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I will select this and scroll a bit. Here you'll find this download 64-bit or download.jr. It will take some time and then it will show you this download button. Click here, choose location and click save. It will start downloading. If you open up your downloads from right top side, it will show here. Click open. It will open up like this. Where to start with, you have to select switch to offline mode and here you have to type username to continue and click on this login offline. Here if you click on this play button, it will start downloading. You have to wait a little bit to download. After downloading, the game will launch and you can see that a game is working now. So that's how you can download SKLauncher in 2024 in just few steps.